Here are the latest Tomica release for 2020. These are released last weekend in Japan, and quite a variety here. We have the Tomica Premium Series, the Lamborghini Gallardo, Super Agera, Nissan Skyline R31, GT-SR, and for the Red Box Mainline Series, we have the Personnel Transports Vehicle Large Type, which is also known as the Riot Police in Japan. Also come with a very nice 50th anniversary decal on the box, labeled New 2020 in gold. Highlight is definitely the pair of BMW Z4, irregular and first color release, which will pair very well with the Toyota GR Supra, which was released last year. Not forgetting the Epita series, based on the 2000 GT, to commemorate for the year. I have a couple of these casting, which I'll put out a video very soon. Lastly, the Tomica Light and Sound series and our Share More series, they are coming for the month of Jan. And now let's take a closer look at the Tomica 2020 Red Box release. The large Riot Police bus is scaled down to 1:136 to fit into the Tomica box. It's a very solid Riot Police bus based on the Agera model. I remember I saw this actual Riot Police bus in Shinjuku last year in Japan. The model and color scheme looks very similar. The setback is, for the bus casting, it doesn't have any opening features, nor it has any suspension. Lots of die-cast parts. The bus feels heavy, and I believe this will be a very popular casting for police and bus collectors. Next, the BMW Z4 in regular color in maroon. Very stylish and very sleek. I like this casting, it's very nice. I like the signature front grille, the clear logo, beautiful body curve, and also its premium body color. I like this casting, it's very cool, and it pairs very well with the Gazoo Racing Supra, which is a collab between BMW and Toyota. Although no opening parts, it comes with a standard suspension, together with a removable soft top. Next, the BMW Z4 in first color release in white. Although the specs are the same as the regular color, it gives me a very different feel in white. This casting comes in high gloss finish, which makes it look premium and sporty. It's a pity that the headlights is painted rather than a clear plastic insert, which will bring this casting to another level. For mainline, this casting is quite detailed for the front and rear. No opening parts, comes in standard factory suspension and opening soft top. This pair of Z4 is really an eye candy. I like both of the colors. I think they pair very well and complement each other. And no doubt, this pair looks great in diecast photography, just like the Gazoo Racing Supra. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!